Bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum 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 bada bum 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 bum. Whoop whoop.
Hi. Hi. I know it's been a while. I got busy with work and life, so yeah. But thankfully, we're now starting to vlog again. So yeah. So come with me with a week in a week a week in my life. So actually today I'm heading to a cup sleeve event and take a look at me. Okay, don't care about the the water, the water jug. But yeah, I'm going to a cup sleeve event and it's just at the Bayside, MOA Bayside, and yeah, and I'm meeting up with friends. Yes, so yeah, and yeah, I'm going to throw this out. So see you there. So cute. It's my first time, so I'm so quiet right now. I'm not my usual self, so bear with me. But anyway, my friends are coming, so we're about to get crazy. I ordered a fried inaki mushroom, and this is tropical passion drink. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, it's my Yochi's first cup sleeve event. Like, yeah, so cute. So I brought him with me. I am so excited. So yeah. Say hello to the vlog. Bacteria. Friends are playing. Ang chaotic. Happy Jasai Day! Happy Jasai Day! So the cup sleeve event is done and I had fun. So yeah, right now I don't know where to go, but that's for this. That's for Sunday, and see you on Monday. Hi, with the Tiklop Trio. Oreo Trio. With Tiklop Trio right now. So, pero bitaw nag-vlog ako. It's so windy, guys. Take a look at my... Oh my God. What? Okay. So actually heading to MOA. Yeah, right. We have different vibes of outfits right now. As you can see.
I went to school.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Me, just me. Guys, we just discovered something. Take a look at that. She sat on, we don't know what it is. It may be paint, but it's white. It's white. Wala akong sinabi. Pero yeah, we're just walking to MOA because wala. Feel lang namin kasi hindi kasi mainit. It's just fair. It's just a fair weather. A bit cloudy. Yeah. For the go. Hi. Try one.
Oh my God,
Girl. But we look good. Hi. That is Nancy. And I'm Catherine. Catherine. Yes. And that's... Who is she? That's Lou. The French girl. Bonjour. Wow. So yeah, we're just trying out. Oh, amazing. Hi guys. Hi.
Finally.
I've been eyeing like this footwear for a very long time. And I'm finally buying it. Okay, so I'm going to pay now. I'm just going to the counter. So I'm excited. Guys, I'm so happy I got the guns! Yay! Thanks to Bonnie. Oh my gosh, the card. Thanks to Bonnie, I just bought my new babies. Where are they? Ito. Thank you so much. Mission accomplished. Hi. So we're just walking around. Yes, and we're going to have Frankie going up. Siya, my greatest enemy ever. Yeah, she my enemy. They are my enemy. Yes, they are my greatest judgers and lovers. Ang dami kasi naming plans in life. Ano ba to? Oo, isang gastador. Isa pang gastador. Mga gastadora. Unsahan no?
Hi, thank you Frankies for sponsoring.
Yes. I don't know what to order in Frankie's, but I'm going to try what's good. What's good?
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
I'm a good girl.
I can't eat you.
No,
I'm not straight.
I'm just saying I'm a good girl.
Sorry, I'm not straight. See the gloss? Laway lang yan. Charis. That's romance. Hey, budod by Miss Zabalia.
You're welcome.
Yeah, for the go. Ay. Dul kaya ako na mong. Hi, here's an OA person, Eva. And here is a must OA person, Eva. Well, what are you?
I'm cute.
Ano daw sabi niya? But me, I am the pinaka OA, Eva.
Ako ang less. No, ako
Less. Hello. Oh my gosh. So the style today is just a chill look with my ragged ragged shorts and some sandals. Yeah. Yeah, so from what I said kanina, we have different styles today. She be office girly. Sana.
Hi!
Yeah, and the casual freelancer. And the tambay. Bye. Nani? Oh, caught you off guard.
Got you off guard.
So, ganun lang. We love surprises kasi. So, this is what we ordered. This is what?
Honey sriracha.
Oh, this is honey sriracha. And we also have the curly fries and, of course, carbs.
Not curly.
Yay! I'm going to eat. Ikaw lang mo. Amen. So I took si Teresina kanina, so let's go.
Wow. Wow.
So good. Hi. So right now we are at Moss Cookies, and they have purchased a soft. Is that soft serve or not? Soft serve. Yeah. So yeah, I'll zoom that. But anyway, yeah, I actually bought another ice cream from Corimo, and this is what's kanini? Shoyu ni? Oh yeah, shoyu. This is shoyu. So yeah, it actually tastes great. I love it. It's so yum, you do. This is the main attraction in this event. Yeah. And here's mine. Hi there. I'm actually in Pasig right now, Estancia Mall, and I'm actually just done with work. It's like a monthly meeting, so yeah. I just grabbed like a short chance to do a clip. So here I am. So yeah. I'm finding my way to the MRT station. I look so tired. Oh my gosh. Hi, I just got off the jeepney. Oh my god, I'm so hot right now. Oh my god. Currently thinking what I should buy as a drink. I'm near Alpha Mart. I'll just go to Alpha Mart. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. I wasn't able to eat breakfast or lunch kanina, so I think I'll just order like a rice meal or some shopao. Okay, so I really need something to drink yet. So that's the fit for today. Oh, and I'm back in the condo. I'm back. And we're going to eat, so bon appetit to me. Wow. Hello. I know I am haggard, but haggard. No, so pero haggard ko dai. So yeah, ganun na. And it's a Thursday, and right now I'm going to make content for my reel. So right now I'm just choosing what to wear, because actually I've been thinking about this reel. I've been stopping myself, and I wondered, why am I stopping myself, and what's stopping me? So this is it. I'm going with it. So actually I'm just going to repeat an outfit that I wore before. So yeah, I think you'll just see it on the reel. So let's go on. I was able to like make a plan. So here it is. Yeah, that's a very detailed plan. Wow. This right here is the lyrics of the song, and on the other side, that is the angles that I'm going to do. But I feel like I'm going to change some angles, because yeah, I think it's going to be hard doing all of this. So I'm going to be flexible and do what's possible. So yeah. Now I'm just thinking if I do need like natural light, because all the shots will be taken inside. So I feel like natural light is a no. I think so. So yeah, we'll just close the curtains and also close the door. So that way there won't be other light except, oh yeah. Okay. So this is going to be our lighting, just normal lighting, and I feel like I'm going to use my phone's flash, because I'm using this one to shoot me with our reel. So, okay. Are we ready? Yes, you are. Okay. Ready na si self. Look at me, I'm a beautiful creature. I feel like we're going to change smartphone. Oh no. Okay, next is going. I'm listening to other music now. Oh my gosh, wait. Out of focus. So hello, I'm done with the first angles that needs to be shot for the reel. So now there will be a transformation once I open the cabinet. So yeah, I'm going to do a makeup for myself and fix myself and also dress up. So 1, 2, 3. Wow. Hello. So we are dressed up. So this is going to be the look, and our next setup is in this place. In my kitchen, yeah. So actually I'm just setting it up because I need some lighting, because it's going to be like a surprise transformation. So budge ganon. So the angle will be like that, bird's eye view. Hi. So yeah, wait a minute, let me just see. Oh. Oh my gosh, it looks good. Wait a minute. Look at me, I'm a beautiful creature. I don't care. Okay, it's going to be good. Let's do this. You got this. Anyway, okay, see you again later. Hi guys. Time check. It's 7:41 and we started at like maybe in the middle of 3 and 4 p.m. So y'all, I'm exhausted. This is like a one-man process, so bear with me. I don't know what's going to be the result of this reel. I'm going to edit it after I take this video. So that would be it for today and see you tomorrow. Bye. Marami ko naka-on mic, wala man din. Hi there. So, today, I have my friends over. Hi. Itawon siya rin ko pa din. Ang dulo kayo nagpadyo. But yeah, we're all working. So, ganon. It's like a girl's workout. Work in day. Work in. Ay, wala mo to sa out. So yeah, gawad ka akong condo actually because yesterday, if you know, yeah. Oo, makita yun ninyo kay kuan man siya, weekly vlog ba ni? So, ganon. So, ano to siya? Okay, so I just finished watching Somi's comeback. And my gosh, I so love it. And Park Seo-joon's cameo. Girl! She Raven! She melted! She melted like butter and ice cream. Bonnie!
Labas!
The person who dropped something.
No, I have to clean the CR.
Yeah, actually, she lives in the other unit, right beside mine. So, okay, you may now leave. Thank you so much. I'll just Gcash you the payment. Thank you. Time check. It's 6:53, 54.
54.
Nangabuang na mga workers.
Boom, boom, boom.
Gotta get that.
Boom, boom, boom.
Gotta get that.
Boom, boom.
Hey.
Boom, boom, boom.
Eh. Diba? Nangabuang na may guys. Ika na. Nag-magic sarap. Akong whole day, naradyo ko diri sa balay. Narin akong mga invaders, akong planet Mars.
Yo.
Yeah, taga NASA na sila guys. Muna siya Sisa. Ako din si Sisa. Oo. Basilio Crispin! Ana lang for the ganon. Oh, for the books. Wala ko nag-edit guys. Nagtanaw na mi sa vlog ni Michelle ganina. Michelle! Michelle, kita na mi sa vlog. Nagkatawa gini. Kuha ni siya feedback. Feedback sa vlog. Ganon, oo. Jam, yes. Grabe good. Full energy. Reaction paper to the fullest. Ay, naku. Ako maghilom din nga din. Badum gano. Kadumog mo. Basta may nga namin day. Marami nasa opisina diri. For the bugs.
Co-working space.
Co-working space. Maguni siya. Kuha ni siya. Airbnb. Gato ni siya. Tapos, homers. Kuhan. Bed and breakfast. Tapos, kanang pagka-day dayon. Mahimo din na siya kuhan. Co-working space. Wala na siya. Ganon.
So nice.
Ano lang. O sa'yo mahimo nag-restaurant?
True.
Oo. Ang only dish ka kung ma-serve sa inyo kay salmon. Oh, social kaya. Salmon. Salmon. Salom. Ano lang. Di ba for the books kayo. Sa una lang na. Karon, ang dilema nga mong I think na po. Unsa man kanon? Unsa man kanon? O, nasa suggestion day. Asa daw? Na magsamgyup daw ko no. Dabi unsa man gipang suot, wa ko ligo. Kana naligo naman na.
Hindi na to, mag-ilis. Dito na.
Giatay.
Sige ka, mabaho ba ito ano, Japan smoke? Gani. Ligo, hindi pa ka buli.
Maklay na lang lagi din to para before the tugutom kayo.
Giatay. Asa kita mo namgyup?
Game plan, di na sa ugos para di na sa mambalin.
Siya guys, ganun lang. Oo, for the fun lang ang life no. So, adulting who. Tawa na. Makatawa naman sa tapos breakdown din later. Ano siya? Uy, pero ganun lang guys. It's a normal life. Normal life. Saan daw be? For the go. Bitaw dagan ko kakak. Saya. Hi. Look. How is it? Hi. Time check. Time check. It's 2:08. It's already Saturday, and I am eating Nissin's super meal. First shot na siya. So, kompleto na akong vlog, guys. Kompleto na. And actually, we're having a workover.
What's wrong? What's wrong with Barb?
What's wrong? Nag-loading.
Ang mga brain cells din
Bahat? Nahurot na sa muna na SSD ko na. Diba sa ako?
Napaman may other ice cream na.
Mas pa madawas pa rin ako. Love brother ice cream Wala may ako napukus ka magbulit ba na Tagalog. This is the 3 brain cells.
Pangit ka na.
Katong serious na
Oo.
Nanako. Karandom. Bam bam bara bam 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 bara bam 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 bara bam 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 bam.